Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to another video. There are currently mini delays. I think trains are like 10 minutes late. We have T92 arriving into platform 3, Bondi Junction service. The last Bondi Junction train was about 20 minutes ago. Bondi Junction service departing platform 3. T12 rear 4 cars.
The next train to arrive on platform 3 goes to Bondi Junction via Central. First stop Sydenham, then Redfern, Central, Town Hall, and then all stations to Bondi Junction.
The next Bondi Junction service is now on approach to platform 3. This train will be stopping at... You would have heard the DVA announcement just earlier. It's just creeping up to the platform, so bit of time, so I'll pause and resume. T26 being the front forecast of this train.
The train on platform 3 goes to Bondi Junction via Central. First stop Sydenham, then Redfern, Central, Town Hall, and then all stations to Bondi Junction.
Kiama service now arriving into platform 4, front forecast H46. Bondi Junction service departing platform 3. Kiama service front forecast H46 departing platform number 4. H23 rear 4 cars.
The next train to arrive on platform 4 goes to Cronulla via Kogarah. First stop Rockdale, then all stations to Hurstville, then all stations to Sutherland, and then all stations to Cronulla.
Cronulla service now arriving into platform number 4, T95 being the front 4 cars.
The train on platform 4 goes to Cronulla via Kogarah. First stop Rockdale, then all stations to Hurstville, then all stations to Sutherland, and then all stations to Cronulla.
Cronulla service now departing platform number 4. First stop would be Rockdale, then all stations to Cronulla. T53 rear 4 cars.
The next train to arrive on platform 4 goes to Waterfall via Banksia. First stop, Arncliffe, then all stations to Hurstville, then Penshurst, Mortdale, Sutherland, and then all stations to Waterfall.
Bondi Junction service now on approach to platform number 3. Front 4 cars is T75.
The train on platform 3 goes to Bondi Junction via Central. First stop, Tempe, then Sydenham, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, and then all stations to Bondi Junction.
Bondi Junction service now departing platform number 3. First stop, Tempe. T89 is the rear 4 cars. The next train on platform 4. The next train on platform 3 is a Central service. First stop will be Redfern, and then Central.
The next train to arrive on platform 3 goes to Central. First stop, Redfern, and then Central.
Waterfall via Banksia service now arriving into platform 4. Front 4 cars, T64.
The train on platform 4 goes to Waterfall via Banksia. First stop, Arncliffe, then all stations to Hurstville, then Penshurst, Mortdale, Sutherland, and then all stations to Waterfall. The next train to arrive on platform 4 goes to Central. First stop, Redfern, and then Central.
The Central train and the Bondi Junction train is having a bit of a fight as to who comes to Walleye Creek platform 3 first. T27 rear 4 cars.
The next train to arrive on platform 4 goes to Cronulla via Cogra. First stop, Rockdale, then Cogra, Hurstville, Oakley, Janali, Sutherland, and then all stations to Cronulla.
Central service has won the fight and it's arriving into platform 3. H4 is the set. I'm looking on that Central service and I'm wondering really.
The train on platform 3 goes to Central. First stop, Redfern, and then Central.
Central service now departing platform 3. H4 is the set.
The next train to arrive on platform 3 goes to Bondi Junction via Central. First stop, Sydenham, then Redfern, Central, Town Hall, and then all stations to Bondi Junction.
Bondi Junction service now arriving into platform 3. T125 is the set.
The train on platform 3 goes to Bondi Junction via Central. First stop, Sydenham, then Redfern, Central, Town Hall, and then all stations to Bondi Junction.
Bondi Junction service departing platform 3. T23 rear 4 cars. T90 Bondi Junction service arriving into platform 3. Cronulla service T50 front 4 cars. T52 rear 4 cars. Cronulla service departing platform 4. Alrighty guys, with the frequency of trains going haywire, I'm going to wrap the vlog up. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys, well, in the next vloggers.